Grandpa.
I thought they would come back.
Dad, why is that Grandpa crying? Hello, Grandpa. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, but nobody came.
Who was in your family photo, Grandpa?
My daughter and my little grandson. I can't find them.
Maybe we can help you find your family.
Thank you. I don't know what to do.
Let's check the flower garden.
I remember seeing them there.
Henry,
Let's ask for help first.
the information center is right ahead.
Excuse me, this grandpa needs help finding his family.
Don't worry. We'll help you together.
We'll find your family.
The flowers not our name.
Here the garden, picnic gren.
Let's search together.
Don't worry, Grandpa. We'll keep looking.
Thank you. I had the most wonderful morning there years ago.
Then let's go make some new memories.
This is my grandson's toy car.
We're getting closer. Let's keep looking.
Henry, look! Someone left a backpack.
That belongs to my grandson.
We found an emergency contact card.
This can help us find your family.
Good news! I spoke with your daughter.
Is my family safe?
Grandpa, we found you!
Oh, my little grandson. You're safe.
Thank you for helping my father.
We're happy your family is together again.
Thank you for helping my father.
We're happy your family is together again.
We became separated for just a few minutes. I'm so thankful for your kindness.
Staying together and asking for help quickly keeps everyone safe.
Today is a day I will always remember.
Helping someone is the best gift.
Being together with family is the greatest happiness.
Kindness can bring people back together.
Henry, if you ever get separated, stay calm and ask a trusted adult for help.
I will always remember that.
Thank you for your kindness, Henry.
Helping others is always the right choice. Come on, little puppy. You can do it.
Thank you for helping my puppy. Today, you both showed true kindness and courage.
I will always help others with a smile.
Everyone smile! This will be a beautiful memory.
Thank you for giving my family hope again. Now I have two precious family memories.
Kindness creates memories that last forever.
Helping others makes the world a happier place.
I'll never forget today's lesson.
You gave my family hope when I needed it most.
We'll always be happy to help others.
Thank you for giving us a happy ending.
We'll always remember you, Grandpa.
A small act of kindness can change someone's life.
I'll always help people who need me.